How to disable or customize glide typing in Gboard. Now, if you want to customize or disable glide or gesture typing in your Gboard, just simply open Gboard app and then you are gonna see this option of glide typing, which is gesture typing but just a different word. Now, if you straightly want to disable it, simply disable the first toggle and it will be disabled. Now, if you want to customize it, you are gonna get three options to customize the gesture keyboard. First, if you want to show gesture trail in your keyboard or the screen, you want to enable this second option. If not, just simply disable it. And the second option we have a gesture delete. Now, if you mistype anything by using the gesture typing, you can delete the words by sliding left in your screen from the delete key. Now, it might be a little bit hard at the very start to adjust, and if it is hard for you, just simply disable it so you can have easy time while typing using the gesture typing. And the third option is gesture cursor control. Now, by using this feature, you can move your cursor by sliding in your space bar. If you don't want to do this, or if you don't think this option is handy, you just simply can disable this option. This is how you disable or customize your gesture keyboard as it fits you. I hope this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.